Hey, my cookies. Hey, come on and find out how we made this special spice blend from Ashley from My Full Figured Life. We're going to make this delicious corn. And look at all that good juice down there. That's what we topped our corn with. Come on and find out how we made this today. Let's cook with ease. Thanks, my cookies. See you soon. Okay, here we go. We are going to make corn the way that my grandmother used to make it. However, I just purchased this really wonderful seasoning from Ashley from My Full Figured Life. So this is going to be the star of the show. Now, what she used to use was half and half or buttermilk. Butter, whichever one she had, that's what she used. Honey, and also a little sugar in there. So you'll see me add some sugar. All right, now I have the water boiling to save time, and we will be right back. Take a look. Our pot is ready. First thing I'm going to put in is going to be our butter. Don't be afraid. Go ahead and put a whole stick in there. Then put a little sugar, or however much you want. Don't forget the sugar, you all. Then either your half and half or your buttermilk. Okay, now let's start loading the corn in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put our corn in there, and I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. All right, I'm gonna show you in a minute how I loaded up the pot with the corn, but I want you to take a look at this beautiful seasoning. Now, it says chef's secret, so I really can't tell you what's in it, but here, take a look. I'm gonna put some in here now. Going to make it taste really, really, really good. Look at that. And I'm going to let this go for about 20 minutes. And I will be right back. Oh, that seasoning smells so good, you all. Okay, stay tuned. Next, what I want to do is make the little cream sauce that we use for the corn. I've reserved some of the juice from the corn that's boiling, and I'm going to put, it's up to you how much butter you want, but we really like it buttered. So I'm going to put one stick in here. And like I said, it's up to you. But you know, this channel is all about not having a whole lot of rules and what makes you comfortable. Let's put some honey in there. And you're going to see how I'm going to top this once it's done. This makes it taste so good, you all. I hope you try this. Again, it's up to you. I'm not measuring anything. And then, of course, I'm going to use Ashley's seasoning in here. Now, I have never tasted this, so I'm not going to put a whole lot in at first, but I'm going to add if it needs more. All right, I'm going to put this on the stove and let it boil for a little bit. All right, I'll be back. You know, if you were to say, hey V, what does this taste like? I would tell you that it has a little kick to it. It's not hot. Maybe a little cayenne pepper, maybe some parsley, oregano, onion powder, garlic powder, maybe a little sugar, maybe some cumin. It's the perfect all seasoning. It's really delicious and it's beautiful. If you look at the beautiful colors, maybe little bits of onion in it, but this can go on anything. I really hope you try it out. Our corn and our sauce is boiling now, so let me go check and see it. I'm loving this spice. Here is our beautiful butter sauce for our corn. It's just reserved half and half from the pot of corn. The secret spice sauce. It has honey in it and butter. Now I'm going to show you how we're going to use this with our corn. It's going to make it taste so good. All right, everyone, take a look at the corn. It's looking beautiful as it's boiling. I also want you to take a look over here at the sauce. It's all ready. Okay, I'll be right back, plating it up. Thanks for watching. Okay, hey everybody. I wanted to show you how I poured some of the juice that we made into this little bowl here. And the reason, make sure you can see, the reason I did that was we're going to take the corn and place it right into the juice. That way everybody gets that delicious buttery goodness. Ooh, you all, it smells so good. All right, I'm gonna fix this up so it'll be beautiful. What I mean is just roll it. Look at that, roll it in the butter. Just roll it. And then we have all this good juice in here too. Okay, everybody, I'm going to fix this up and make it beautiful for you, and I'll be right back. Now, to finish it off, I want to put some of this delicious butter, honey sauce on here. Just top it off with that so everybody can get some. And then some of this beautiful special seasoning that we have. There we go. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching my cookies. Love you guys. See you soon. Peace and love.